everyone! Happy Monday! We're going out for a walk na. Let's go! Let's go! Thank you so much. That's Francine's. This is Ate Hannah's. This is Francine's Air Up. And this is Ate Hannah's Air Up. Yes, thank you so much. And Ate Hannah's cacao.
I'm not allowed to take.
What do you say for this day?
I don't know.
Have a good day, everyone.
Yes, and I'll see you again
Later. Tomorrow.
Or I don't know. Bye.
Hello everyone. Pupunta muna ako sa school ni Francine kasi di ba last time nasabi ko sa inyo last week nung kinikwento ko sa inyo meron ako appointment today kasi gusto ko malaman kung ano mas magandang idea pag magmamat siya, yung mga helping tools, kung ano magandang bilhin kasi hindi siya sanay na nagagawa ng homeworks ng math niya with yung mga pearls. Alam niyo yun, dito ko papakita ko n'itsura ng pearls. Mas feeling ko gusto niya ng iba. So, meron ako appointment sa teacher kung ano magandang ideas para sa pag-aaral niya. At mas mabilisan siya at madalian kung paano. So, I'll update you later again. See you! Guys, tapos na yung meeting ko. At okay naman siya. Meron akong ipiprint sa online para yun yung gagamitin namin ni Francine. Makikita nyo next time pag mag-practice kami sa bahay. At yun. So, uwi na muna tayo. Hello! Susundo na tayo kay Francine. Tapos meron tayong appointment for today. Kaya, samahan niyo po kami. Today, Monday. Wala naman masyadong ganap for today. Kasi, more on, ano lang ako sa mga email sa bahay kanina after kung iano si Francine sa school. And then, tinake out ko si Ruru sa, sa labas. Kaya sundain na natin yan. Tapos may appointment ako with Ate Hannah later. See you later. Say hi.
Hi.
Picked up Francine already. Tapos sabi daw ng teacher mo kanina, yung sinastrap na yan, either pwede ko siyang i-print and then I just do it the same like they have it in school, or I'll buy or order from Amazon. So I need to check. I need to check. So you can use it and it's not heavy when you carry it when you want to learn with daddy or someone else. Diba?
I don't need with that for my daddy.
What?
Patina. I don't need that for my daddy.
No, I mean you can learn with him using that. So it's easier to carry. Yeah, because we need to order it and then so you can count from 100 to 200. Yeah.
100 to
And what else? Ano pa ba ang sabi? Ang gulo namin mag-video. Yeah, what did you eat in school today?
what is that again? How is it called?
Pasta.
Pasta, but not the original pasta with the white sauce.
Carbonara, I think.
Carbonara, yeah, carbonara.
Carbonara. Go here.
Why?
Carbonara.
The gate is over there.
And what have you ate for dessert? Nachspeise.
Ich habe keine Nachspeise gegessen, aber es war Joghurt.
Ja, das ist ja Nachspeise.
Ja, weißer Joghurt.
Ja, normale Naturjoghurt heißt das.
Ja.
Ja.
Nur das.
Und hast du dein Baon fertig gegessen?
Nicht alles.
Was hast du übrig gelassen?
Brot und Apfel.
How many apples?
Eine.
Is how many I gave you inside?
I don't know.
I think 3 or 4. And Yakult, you drank your Yakult?
Ja.
And water? Ayun. Yan yung chikahan namin. And tomorrow is...
Heute habe ich das ganze Zeit runtergefällt.
Wo?
In der Früh, wenn ich mal geschlafen. In der
Ich
Nacht.
hab geschlafen.
Ich habe geschlafen. In der Nacht.
Ach so, ja, das war die ganze Zeit am Boden.
Keine Ahnung warum.
Ja, weil du so schläfst. So wild.
Ja, wegen. Ich kann das nicht controllen.
Yeah, that's why I put the pillow in the middle. I put it on our foot foot side, so you have more space. Because you're sleeping very crazy, you know. Sometimes all the pillows are
On the floor.
anywhere, just not on the bed. What if you are falling down? what are you doing?
When Daddy sleeps, ich und Daddy, wenn Kuya CJ war in Griechenland, ich und Daddy haben ein Kuya CJ's Bett geschlafen und hat die ganze Zeit runtergefallen.
Ist runtergefallen?
Da wegen dem Bett, den Kuya
So
CJ ist
klein.
nur einer.
Ah,
Eine
okay.
Bett. Und ich habe dort die ganze Zeit geschlafen.
Geschlafen.
Ja, geschlafen. Das war so kuschelig.
Ah.
Ja.
Okay.
Und da gibt es auch, wo wir können verstecken.
We're gonna see you later again, okay?
See you later, alligator.
Pansin, dito kami sa bilihan ng
Dog.
pets. Pets. Ng kasi nagtitingin kami ng sale. Nagtitingin ako ng toy para kay Ruru. Tinan mo, nakita niya para daw sa kanya.
Mama, she's gonna, I want to give it to Rue, but she's gonna eat it.
We have a lot of stuff toy. Look, this is for dog.
But Ruru's gonna eat it.
I wanna give her this one. Ayan, nahulog ka. This one.
Squeaky toy.
Look. And then, when you press it
The
here,
rainbow.
it will make a sound.
It's not.
Oh, look. Here. Where is it? There's something inside and you can press and then it makes sound. Masa na yun? Nawala.
Wala.
Meron. Oh. Okay? Donut. A watermelon donut. And this one is also cute.
This
Look.
one is cute. but it's
Pink
so
and florally. Floral.
Take
Kasya
this
kaya ito
one.
sa kanya? Pansin? Cute ng Pinky.
This is cute. It's
So are you gonna buy this chick?
That's it.
Buy this.
But
And
my
sweets.
but Ruru's allergic to who now?
Chicken.
Chicken.
Yeah.
This.
What?
This, like this. Look, Mama. This is grape, guys, and you need to taste it. 3, 2, 1. Even though there's a lot of ice cream, it still tastes good.
So how much you
10
rate
out
it?
of 10.
10 out of 10? And then try this.
Okay.
No, I mean these chips.
Okay.
So this is the chips. Corn cheese. It's cheese, cream cheese. There's cream cheese inside. Is it good? How much do you taste?
7.
7. Okay. And then drink again. Look at her face, guys. It's so good. Dito na kami.
Yeah.
Antayin lang namin si Ate Hana. See you later. Ano ba? Nakakainis. Nandito kami on time, pero wala siya. Wala nagbubukas. Hindi ko alam kung ba't ako binigyan ng ganong oras. Kakaloka. Wala. So, bukas sa umaga ako tatawag doon. Tapos, papaano ulit ako ng bago. Ng bagong appointment. So, annoying. Pumunta pa kami dito extra. Anyways, tawag na lang ako doon bukas na umaga. Magpapa-appointment ako ng bago. Tapos, uuwi na kami ngayon. Kasi magluluto pa ako. Okay, see you at home. Here's something for what is this? So guys, so nagluluto ulit ako ng tinola kasi nag-crave ulit ako. And lalagyan natin siya ng chicken powder instead of chicken cube. Yung chicken powder natin, yan. Feeling ko mas convenient yung ganito kasi mas madali siyang ma-dissolve kesa sa cube. Yan. So, 1 pack lang. I think. And that's fine. Tapos, lagay ko na, kinakat ko na yung papaya. So, lagyan natin siya ng lemongrass. And then, luya. Tapos, malunggay. And, itong pepper na hindi maanghang. Almost done ang aking tinolang manok. So, nilagyan ko na siya ng
green pepper. Hindi yan maanghang, guys. And then, bubudburan ko na siya ng malunggay. Tapos, tatakpan natin. And then, luto na yan maya-maya. Ilagay ko dito sa ano yung malunggay ko. So, nandiyan na yung malunggay, papaya. Nilagyan ko siya ng lemongrass, guys. Turo yan sa akin ng aking special someone. Hindi, joke lang. Turo yan sa akin kasi mas masarap daw at lalasa siya. So, tatakpan na natin yan, guys. Yan po ang ating sinigang tuloy. Tinolang chicken. Okay, Francine will try it. The papaya. That's the chicken. No, take your spoon. Oh, yan. Try it. Then tell me how it tastes. But blow mo muna, ha?
What is that was called?
Is it good? Okay. How do you like the taste? Is it good? How did Mommy cook? 6 out of 10? Okay. What do you say to them? Kain na.
Kain na. Goodbye.
See you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Them.
Hi, mga tinapay.
Mga katinapay.
I don't know why I should call you guys tinapay.
Why? What is the name of the vlogger that we watch now? What is he?
Tinapay.
No. The one that we watch now, PMSK. What is her, ano parang yung tinatawag yung mga ano niya? Nanonood sa kanya. Mga katonetizen, sabi mo kanina, di ba? So, Francine is asking me, how do you call your watchers, your viewers? And then I told her, she can call her viewers mga katinapay. Because her channel is Papay's TV. You know what's Papay's TV meaning?
No.
No, because when you were little, you loved eating tinapay. And then, when you always ask me if you can have tinapay, you just say, Papay, ganon ka ng ganon. So I thought I'm gonna name your channel Papay's TV. So how do you call your viewers? Mga katinapay? Or mga kapapay?
Or the mga...
Mga what?
I don't know.
I don't. You need to think about it. Maybe your viewers can help you.
Yeah, so
Ask them.
Ask. So which one?
No, you can tell them. You can comment down below.
Comment down below, and I'm gonna check the comments.
Yeah, if they have any ideas how
Yeah.
how you can call your viewers, because my viewers, they are my star mates. Okay? So, mga viewers po dyan, mga ka-star mates. Nag-iisip po si Francine kung ano pa itatawag niya sa mga viewers niya, mga katinapay niya.
I like the tinapay, but I don't know what kind of other wunsch hat. Yeah.
Do you mean what other ideas do they
Yes,
have maybe?
what kind
Yeah,
of-
maybe our viewers have other ideas how you can call your watchers, your YouTube watchers, or our watchers. Okay?
Yeah, maybe. Which one? You never
Ah,
know.
sige na, babay na mga katinapay. Matulog ka na.
Mga tinapay. Na.
Morning, happy Wednesday. And so this is Francine's baon and Ketihan to. And Ruru is eating. We are going. Let's go.
Where's the door?
To close it. No, I mean lock it. This side.
Oh, I see her.
Lolo. And you are early for school, so you are coming with us, Gussie. Everyone, pupunta na tayo sa interview. So, isasama ko kayo. But, syempre, hindi ko kayo isasama sa loob ng aking job interview. But, I'm gonna update you, of course, after. So, I'll see you later again. Bye-bye!
sa interview ko. Punta na tayo sa interview. Ayan, nag-toilet lang ako saglit kasi para concentrated tayo mamaya pag kinausap. Nag-aantay muna ako dito. Maaga pa tayo guys. 2:30 dapat ako. Pinababalik. Ganda ng view guys. Yan ang view niyan. Pupunta kami ni Francine sa
Cagayan.
Cagayan kasi may kailangan kaming kunin at bilhin at para sa school titingnan. And nilabas na namin saglit si Ruru. See you later!
Alligator. What do you have for flavor? Oh, I got this, and I'm green apple. Okay, I have hazelnut. I don't know why. Yeah, okay, then. Hey, look. Langsam. You do it. Okay. I have more ice than you. It's fine. Well, it's gonna be extra. Oh, it smells very good. It smells like coffee. Ako lang. Ako. I hate the smell. Try to open it. Langsam. Yan, langsam. Can't open it. Oh, this is the same color. Green apple. Pass bang matapang baby? This is the red straw. It's thick on me. Try. It's the same. Try yours. I'm gonna try mine. Look. Tastes like gulaman. Wiederfahren ist dann Rookie auf einem
book did you bought? Read it.
Can't read it.
Let me see. Room dog. One room dog. Kung nasaan kami guys. Napakadaming blind boxes dito sa Yoyo, so baka maghahanap kayo. Tapos meron siya nakitang gusto niyang bilhin. Itong blind box na ipit. Look, clip. Oh, 7 euros lang. And then you will get ipit here. No, that's expensive, baby. That's 20 euros. Did you bought?
I can't eat it.
She just want to buy this because there's a toy inside.
But they will be able to play.
And
Milk.
that's my coffee.
The egg.
Yeah. Ayan, nahulog ka.
How can I eat this all?
Don't eat it. Just open it, take the toy, and then we need to put this in the
Ow.
refrigerator. Oh, yan, go.
Oh, you got it.
Ta-da-da-da. That's huge. That's a huge, ano. Oh, who's that?
Who we get? Oh, we got Flash.
We got Flash. Wow.
Let's see the characters.
Hello everyone, dito na ulit kami sa bahay and pakita ko na sa inyo yung napamili namin and nakuha namin ito may ate. First, bumili kami ng water, then bumili ako ng bala para sa Tassimo ko sa coffee, then yung malaking Kinder Egg ni Francine. I'm gonna put it inside ng fridge kasi ano siya, baka matunaw. Yeah. Then we have here Choco Bananas. Dinala namin ng toy si Ruru. Look.
And, wait lang po. Stay! 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 Sit! Sit! Good girl. Ruru's toy. Yan! Dali, take mo. Good girl. Dali, pindot mo, pindot. Go. Pindot mo yan, doll mo. Your rabbit. Yan. Yung laruan ni Ruru. And then, we have here Grimace, or I don't know how you pronounce it. Bigay ni ate ko. Kasi diba, nagka-Grimace, ano siya. So, ito yung hair clip in purple. Ay! You can put it inside there. Yan. And then, 2 bags. Itong belt bag. Look. This is how it looks like.
It's purple.
It's purple. Para siyang jeans. Tapos yung McDonald's siya dito ang sign. Maganda siyang pang ano, pang pasyal-pasyal lang, ganyan. Tapos pwede mo siyang ganun. Parang yung Uniqlo na mga belt
There's another one.
Yan, gaganyan mo lang siya.
There's 2.
Pampasyal. This one.
It's big.
Yeah. Let's put it back inside. Siguro naglalaro sa background ng toy niya. Another one. And then we have here this McDonald's Big Mac. Wala na putol. You need to put it inside. We wish you a Merry Xmas. Yeah, you put this here inside. Yan. Yun! Oh, so pretty! Big Mac pang ano. Pang sabi sa Christmas tree. So
They're
cute.
really nice ones.
Yeah. Let's put it back
Thank you for the whole
inside.
set.
And then we have here. Meron akong tatlong tasa. Pang tasimo ko. Ito yung first one. It's in the color for the coffee. Gray. Yan, gray. Ganda yung ano niya. And then 2 more in the color pink. Yes, dalawang ganito guys. Parang tumatawa yung kay Rurong. Natuloy na. Another one. Thank you, ate. Yan. Iaano natin siya. Wawash natin siya. Para pangkape natin. Yan. So, magdi-dinner muna kami ni Francine and we're gonna see you again tomorrow. I'm gonna end the live. I'm gonna end the vlog na for today, guys. And we're gonna see you tomorrow again. Okay? Bye-bye. Good morning. Ruru, look. Thank you, Lord, for this food. Bless you po to. In Jesus' name. Amen. Go. Get your food na, Ruru. Morning.
Good morning.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah?
Why did you cry yesterday?
Because,
Because what? You need to turn off the, water. Why did you cry yesterday? Should I give you a clue?
yeah.
Maybe glasses.
Yeah.
What was it?
Because my daddy needs,
To wear
to wear these, what you call that?
glasses so he can see a bit better.
Reading glasses.
Reading glasses, yeah. And why did you cry? Maybe? Why did you cry? You scared? Scared of what?
The glasses, because when he was at the picking me up that day, he doesn't have glasses on.
So? But why are you scared now? It's just only glasses, Francine, right?
Well, I'm not Sanai.
You're not used to.
Yeah.
But it's fine. You'll get too used to it, okay? Because Lola Ganda has glasses also, Mama, Ate Hana.
But you don't always wear the glasses.
Lola Ganda is always wearing her glasses. And me, I wear contact lenses. That's why I don't need glasses.
My daddy doesn't wear that.
I think they don't have reading contact lenses. Only for far or for
I need a bandage.
for near. Yeah. Okay?
Yeah.
So you don't need to worry and you don't need to cry, okay? You had your glasses also nung maliit ka pa?
And when I wore it, it was good. But then I wore it one time, and it was blurry.
It was blurry.
Yeah, because I was on and it was a bit blurry.
That means your glasses are very slow. I mean, you cannot see. It's unclear.
I see a bit, but
with the glasses, you can see, right?
yeah.
Yeah, then
When I look at the mirror, it's a bit different.
maybe your eyes are getting better, or we need to go to the
It's just itchy. I don't know why.
ophthalmologist. It's itchy. Yeah,
I
we
don't
need
know
to go
what
to
my
the
allergy
allergy. Okay. See you later. Again, I'm gonna prepare your food. But it's cold. Francine
But
needs to wear
where's
jacket
vested?
na since it's very cold now here in Vienna, Austria.
But
And you need to hold it. Oh, like this. Ayan. Oh. Di pwedeng veste, baby. It's cold. Oh, close it na. Your shoes. Yes, that's the rest of spät. Go. Okay.
Pupunta na tayo ng appointment ko. Umuulan ngayon. Ayun sa labas umuulan. May dala tayong payong. Si Francine isa sa school na. Tapos, ayun, mamayang gabi ihatid na natin si Ruru. Kasi andyan na ulit si Mama. And, yun. Gonna see you later again. Hiningal ako, tumakbo kasi ako eh. Ang bagong vanilla ube. Try natin. Guys, bumili tayo ng bagong soft ice ng ube. Oh my God, sobrang sarap. Ubing-ubi ka. Guys, i-rate ko siya ng 10 out of 10. Kahit umuun na nag-ice cream ako. I-try nyo siya. Nandito siya sa Donoplex, sa may tabi ng Shodai, sa may milk tea shop sa gitna. Uwi na tayo. Ayun, gusto ko ipakita sa inyo na sunflower. Sobrang dami niya. Ang ganda-ganda. Pag lagi ko tong dinadaanan, natutuwa ako. May picture na din dyan si Francine. Ayan yung ang dami. Oh, ang tataas. Yun, mas mataas pa yan dun. Sa taas na yan. So pretty. Alam niyo naman po na favorite ko ang sunflower at tulips and peonies. Rough yan, Roro na yan. Rough. Uwi na kami, Roro. Balik na kami kay nanay. Bye-bye, Roro. Alisa si ate. Alam mo na yung bahay. Uy. Kala ko wala na yung giraffe mo. Ano pantoy? Ah, si Gigi. Si Gigi, Roro. Yeah, si Gigi. Where's Gigi? Take. Take Gigi. Good girl. Ate, hanahat mo ang exam.
Exam.
Also, Ordinationsassistenz. Hallo?
Hast du das alles geschrieben?
Geschrieben.
Wie zum Beispiel, wenn man in
Schön,
einer
gell?
Arztpraxis arbeitet.
Okay. Hygiene.
Pflege, Dusche.
Auch.
In der Umgangssprache.
Hinten gibt's auch, Mama.
Morning! Happy Thursday! So, this is Francine's baon. Yung omega niya na, vitamins, peanuts, and bread, and her water bottle. Good morning!
I need help.
To you?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
Mama, I need help.
Okay. Good morning, everyone. Happy Thursday. It's Thursday na. Huwag yun na lang anin yung buko kasi tinaray ko itong gawin kahapon. But, let's see kung ano mangyayari. Kasi parang feeling ko, hindi siya okay. So, papakita ko sa inyo yung pasalubong ni Mama. Kasi kahapon, di ba, hinatid na namin. Hinatid ko na si Ro. So, meron pasalubong si Mama. Ilalabas muna natin siya. Galing Croatia. So, ito na siya. Nalabas ko. Ganito na. Bread. Tama-tama yan, Mama. Ang baon. Tapos ito. Green. Then we have this. Galing siya sa Croatia. Cereals. Cereals si Francine at ni Ate. Tapos, cucumber. Cucumber. Tapos, 7 pieces of toffees candy. Favorite to ni Francine. Nagustuhan niya kahapon. Para daw siyang Yema Tower. And then itong Lino chocolate. And this. I don't know what this is. Oh, so cute. Zadar. Galing siya sa Zadar. Cute, oh. Scented card. And pang sa kape. Zadar. Thank you. Magagamit na ito mamaya pag nagkape na ako. Thank you, Mama. And po, see you guys later kasi mamaya may work tayo.
Enjoy namin ng mga cousin bonding.
Don't think about what comes after or what came before.
ng ating brunch. Yan, mag-bread lang ako. Tapos may coffee and steam na saba and coleslaw. Salad kasi hindi tayo nag-rice with cheese. By the way, salted pala to. This is so good. It's salted and makikita yung texture niya, sobrang soft. Di katulad ng normal na butter kasi nga may salt siya. And mas madali siyang ipahid. Guys, nanonood ako ng Tony Talks kasi lagi ako nanonood nito. Tapos nakakaiyak yung interview ni Ashtin. Hindi ko alam kung kilala niyo siya, but naiyak pa rin ako hanggang ngayon. Kasi share ko lang to kahit naiyak tayo, guys. Pag kasi dumating sa buhay mo na sanay ka lagi na natatalo ka sa buhay or lagi kang, how do you call that? Palagi kang feeling mo, palagi kang napag-iwanan, parang feeling mo lahat na lang negative lang nangyayari sa buhay mo. Pag si Lord kasi talaga yung gumalaw at binigyan ka ng breakthrough, ikaw mismo nasanay ka na laging nasa losing process, hindi mo ngayon ma-adjust o matatanggap kung paano ibigay ni Lord yung mga blessings, kung paano ka maging masaya ngayon. Alam mo yung dati mong hindi ini-imagine na magiging ganun ka kasi nga parang ang dami ng struggle sa buhay. Once na dumating yung breakthrough na ganun kay Lord, wala ka na nang gagawa. Wala ka na nang magagawa kundi umiyak ng umiyak katulad ko ngayon kasi sobrang thankful ako at blessed ako. Grateful at sinishare ko lang to sa inyo ngayon kasi gusto kong matutunan nyo din or kung meron man mga nanonood dito ngayon sa akin na hindi pa ganun ka-deep yung paniniwala sa Kanya, yung faith sa Kanya. Dahil feeling natin, kaya naman natin lahat. Mabait naman tayong tao, ganito, ganyan. Hindi kasi doon naka-base yun eh. Hindi doon naka-base yun para sa Kanya. Hindi naka-base yun kay Lord kung ganong kabuti kang tao. Wala kang ginagawang masama. Wala kang sinasaktan na tao. Hindi ganun yun. Naka-base yun kung ganong ka-deep yung faith mo sa Kanya. Na kahit anong dumating struggle sa buhay, kahit sinong taong umaway sa'yo, murahin ka o anything, gawan ka ng issue, gawin kang mali sa paningin ng ibang tao. Pag ikaw may faith ka sa Kanya, siya gagalaw para doon. So, hindi mo kailangan i-explain yung sarili mo. Hindi mo kailangan magalit o anything kasi iso-surrender mo sa Kanya yun. So, pag yun, dumating yun sa point na ganun na yung character nyo, guys, sobrang saya. Kaya, ako nag-explain ako ng ganito kasi based on my experience, sa dami ko na din pinagdaanan sa buhay, huwag kayo mawawala ng pag-asa. He will. He knows kung kailan yung right timing na bibigyan kanya ng breakthrough. At alam niya din kung ano yung pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay mo ngayon. So, alam niya yung character mo kasi nga siya yung lumikha sa atin, di ba? So, ibig sabihin, meron tayong right timing lahat para sa pagbalik sa Kanya. If ever man na lose weight ka, na punta ka sa kung ano man, hindi siya yung naging focus mo, babalik at babalik ka pa rin sa Kanya. So, yun lang naman yung gusto niya, na every time na meron kang struggle sa buhay, o anything, isurrender mo sa Kanya. Siya unang-unang lapitan at iyakan mo, hindi ibang tao. Kasi at the end of the day, wala din naman makakatulong sa'yo, kundi ikaw lang din sarili mo at siya. Kasi siya yung kinukuhanan mo ng lakas. Second at third na lang dyan ang own family mo. And mga anak mo and everything. Partner mo, yun. Gusto ko lang po i-share yun kasi sobrang blessed ko. Marami akong pinagdaanan sa buhay, pinagdadaanan pa rin. But I don't know kung paano ko siyang na-overcome lahat. And I know, na-overcome ko to everyday dahil sa blessings nga, sa pakikipag-usap nga sa akin at sa family ko.
gumagamit siya ng mga tao, ginagamit niya instrument yung mga tao para maging better person ako. Hindi ko patulan kung hindi dapat, na siya na yung bahala. Siya na, ang ginagawa ko na lang instead of that is pinagpipray ko yung mga taong yun, kung sino man sila na gumagawa o nakakasama sa emotional at mental health ko. So, ganun lagi ang ginagawa ko lately in the past year na pwede ko i-share sa inyo. Kaya ibang-iba na din ngayon yung character ko. The way ako makipag-usap kesa last years. Kasi nga, yun, by that time, mauhubog ka ng panahon, ng experience, ng mga tao nakakahalubilo mo and everything. So, yun lang yung prayers ko dyan. Kahit yung mga taong hindi naging okay sa part ko in the past months, years, I always pray for them. I always wish them well kahit anuman. Dahil lahat tayo mahal ng Panginoon and sana gamitin natin yun ng tama at huwag tayong maging unfair sa kapwa natin tao kasi tao lang din naman tayo. Yun lang, na-share ko lang yun sa inyo and I'm gonna see you again later kasi nandito ako sa bahay ngayon. Mag-aayos ako ng damit, magdi-declutter ako ng mga toys, tapos mamaya bago ko sunduin si Francine, bibili tayo ng surprise na gusto ko nang bilhin sa kanya ng medyo matagal na. And ako din naman, nahiligan ko na din siya. Makikita niyo mamaya kung ano yun, okay? Kaya, dyan muna kayo at isasama ko kay mamaya. Kaninang umaga pala nung nagdi-devotional ako bago ako nagpe-prepare ng food ni Francine. Sabi dun sa Bible verse of the day, John 14:6, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. So, yung Bible verse na yun, lagi ko naaalala na nagre-reflect sa akin yun na kahit anumang trial sa buhay na dumating sa'yo, kahit anumang bagyo, pag siya ang nilapitan mo, meron siyang way kung paano kanyang malilift up, mamotivate at mababago yung perspective mo sa buhay at sa pananaw. Kaya, very thankful ako. And everyday naman ako nagdi-devotional in the morning. Either maaga ako magigising, nagdi-devotional prayers na ako yan, pinagpipray ko na lahat. Or, nagbabasa na ako dun sa Bible app ko. Or, habang nagpe-prepare ako kay Francine ng breakfast niya, or habang nasa biyaya ko papuntang work, or anything. Kasi, pag naman nagdi-devote ka, hindi naman kailangan yan nasa specific place ka or anything. Basta, kung saan ka komportabling pwede kang mag-focus sa oras mong yun na kausap siya or mag-devote ka is go lang. So, it helps me a lot nung natutunan ko mag-devotional prayers every day, every night, bago matulog and everything. Sa lahat ng mga struggles sa buhay ko na pinagdadaanan, lagi ko siyang ini-include. So, mas nagiging mas magaang yung buhay ko na minsan iniisip ng mga tao, paano mo na-overcome yung mga ganyan? Tapos, kahit man meron kang sariling pinagdadaanan, you can also pray for others too, diba? So, ganun kasi yung gusto ng Panginoon. Kahit na may pinagdadaanan ka, pagdaanan naman lang yan, but still continue to pray for others, lalo na dun sa mga taong mahal mo sa buhay. At kailangan ng prayers.
Today, magluluto tayo ng fishball na may toge, tapos malunggay. And then, itong sotang ko, nilagyan ko siya ng ligo. Magsusup lang tayo kasi malamig yung panahon. And in the past days, nagkanin naman na tulang, kaya magsusotanghon tayo for today. So, yan. Ayan na yung soup niya. And lalagyan natin ng malunggay.
And it's broken.
Yes, that one is broken.
I've heard a loud one that no rice.
No rice tonight.
Oh. Yes, it's hot. Mama, I like this one that lights. And this one, I don't know what it is, but
That's fishball.
oh, I never tried that. So it's good, right?
I'm gonna put it here. Can you do it? No.
Zub, zab, zab.
Here, inside, and close it, please.
So, na blow dry ko na si Francine. Ready for bed na siya. And then, we're gonna use this. Morning. Just a minute. Kannst du mir helfen, das wegzugeben, bitte? Hier runter einfach. Danke. Oh. Good morning. Happy Friday. Ayan ang baon ng mga kids. Ito kay Francine. Kasi may lunch naman siya. Ito kay Tihana kasi maaga labas niya.
Good morning! Punta na tayo ng work. Tapos, Friday na ngayon. Have a blessed Friday, everyone. At magkikita ulit tayo mamaya after work ko. Okay? See you later! Hello guys! Out na tayo. Magbili muna tayo ng dinner. Kaya see you in a bit. Good morning! Happy Saturday! This is Ate Hana. Ate Hana, what is your agenda for today?
Today, I'm going to a birthday party from my tita. And then, that's it.
My agenda for today is I'm going to wash. Actually, we're washing na. And then, take out ko si Ru kasi si Mama nasa work. So, papasyalan natin mamaya si Ru. And, kasama ko kayo, kakain tayo ng ube ice cream. And as you can see, nakulayan na tong baba. Orange pa siya kasi sa next kulay pa siya magiging light. Yan. Totally, ano na siya. Ate, papakita mo nga saglit sa kanila kung itsura. Tapos, magiging ash, ano siya? Ash white, ash silver.
So,
Nagkakat ng kanyang fruits. Tapos, gumagawa ako ng coffee.
Yun yung ginagawa ng mga tao. Alam nyo ba, nananahimik yung daan. Hindi ko alam kung ba't kailangan lagi ayusin ng government ang mga ganito. Yung mga construction worker na yan. Construction worker. Anyways, pupunta na ako ngayon kay Ru. At ipapasyal ko muna siya. Tapos, bibili kong gatas and everything. See you later! Roro, ate is here. Come. Hello. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Hello. Terima kasih. Wih, terima kasih. Terima kasih. Terima kasih. Ya, terima kasih. Terima kasih. Ya, hello. Ya, hello. Ya. Historically. Ano yan? Ano to? What's is Dustin? What's is that? Historically. Stay. Sit. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. Yeah, good girl, baby. Suot mo na to. Suot mo. Balik, come. Antin. Antin na siya. Sama. Yeah. Look ka. Antin mo. Yeah. Harok. Harok. Ito. Andran. Oops. O pala. O pala. Yan. Tama ba? Tama ba yung lagay natin? Mali yata. Baby, mali. Baligtad. Sorry. Baligtad yung lagay natin. Oh, masikip. Masikip, baby. Ayan. Yeah. Yeah. Hop. Hop, hop, hop. Oopsie. Come. Yeah, come. Come. Aufstehen, Nika, aufstehen. Aufstehen. Kain mo. Okay. Look what I found. Tumain na si Ruru. Oh no. Para, ano ba yun? Nakakaloka. Ay, si Rory Bells. Teka na, dali. Tatapon tayong basura. Kambi! Roro! Come! Oh my God. Tapon natin yung nakalat na basura. Ganda ditong mamasyal. Very peaceful siya. Wala masyadong kalsada. Meron man, pero yung mga daan dito is para sa mga taong nakatira dito sa paligid. So, pag ipapasyal ko si Ru dito sa kila mama, dito kami bumababa para tahimik lang. Yung nga lang, magugulat ka minsan bigla may tatahol dyan na aso. Ayan. Di ba, Ru? Ru? Say hi! Ru! Shamal! Say hi to the vlog, Rory! Huwag ka nakakain ng dahon dyan. Alam niyo ba guys, dati kumakain niya ng dahon, yung grass. Tapos makikita mo na lang, bigla na lang siya magsusuka ng kulay dilaw. Kasi nga hindi na-absorb ng ano niya, ng tummy niya, yung kinain niyang yun. Kaya pag namamasyal kami, tinitingnan ko palagi pag kami nginangat-ngat siyang dahon. Mahilig kasi siyang curious kasi siyang umamoy-amoy ng kung ano-anong bagay. Tapos bigla na lang masusuka. Nakakaawang, nakakatakot pakinggan. Alam niyo, pag nagsusok siya, gumaganon talaga siya. Gumaganon siya talaga, oo. Kaya pag nakikita namin ni Francine, na kami, pati si Francine na gugulat. Yun, kaya, ang ganda naman ng bahay na to guys. Tingnan nyo. Ganda ng bahay, oh. Yan, kung kanina man po to. Super, super cute. Ang clean. Yan ang cute niya. Hoy! No. So, ito naman, medyo modern. Yan. Gaganda ng bahay dito. Kapag nag-iikot kami ni Ruru, yan. Nakikita namin yung mga bahay sa paligid. Ang galing-galing. Mapapasana all ka na lang. Diba, Ru? Amoy lang. Na nga, may aso dun. Hi, Ru! Hi, Ru! Come, Ru! Let's go! Ayan. Hindi ka na. Tingnan nyo, may pusa dun. Ayun, namamasyal. Kita nyo ba? Dalawa. Ruru, may cat dun. Look! Yan o. Oh. Baka habulin mo, be. Huwag mo habulin. Yaan mo sila. Sining nyo si Ruru. Ayan. Oh, cute. Ruru 9. Nagugulat sa'yo yung cat. Ruru. Shh. Hey, Ruru. Aus. Ming Ming. Uyab ako na si pusa. Ayun, sa taas. Sumuot dun sa gilid. Ayun siya. Nagtago kay Ruru. Nagtago. Natakot sa'yo, be. Natakot sa'yo yung pusa. No. Meet na natin si Ate Hana. Iniwan ko na si Ruri. And then, magsasara na ulit ako ng labada. And meron akong tanggap kay mama. Mapakita ko mamaya. Ate Hana yung ube. Re-rate mo siya, okay?
Alright, yeah. So we have the ice cream, y'all. We're gonna taste it. They sauce.
Ube.
Try mo na. Wait.
Pumili ako ng sa cup kasi mas madaming laman yung cup.
So lecker.
Yung totoong rating.
Ja,
Yung totoo.
schmeckt eh. Kung may queso drin yung ulay kasi.
May cheese. Pero lasa siyang ube, di ba?
Buy it for 3 euros, yeah.
Guys, di ako marunong kumain ng ube. Tinan nyo. Ang itim. Talagyan pa yung damit ko. Matatapon na. Super sarap niya kasi. Kumukulay nga lang siya sa bibig. Pag marami. Nasa bahay na ulit tayo. Ito pala yung bigay ni mama. Watermelon. Watermelon! Coke. Hindi pala niya bigay. Hiningi ko doon kasi bakit kailangan dumi? Kasi wala naman nainom doon. Mag-isa lang kasi si mama. And shrimps. Hipon. Yeah, hipon. Galing kay papa to. Ayan. Hipon and longganisa. Talagay na natin siya sa freezer. Okay, see you later. Tingnan natin kung matamis yung watermelon. Alam niyo ba, naglalaba ako. Tapos, yung ano ni Ate Hana, liquid liner, napasama sa labada. Tapos, anong nangyari ngayon? Kabubukas ko, kala ko mascara. Paghugot kong ganun, tumalsik yung ink. Kumalat dito, nahugasan ko na siya actually ng kamay. But, kanina itim na itim yan. Buti na lang hindi nalagyan yung ano ko, yung tawag doon. Yung pantalon ko kasi naka-jeans pa naman ako. Ayun ako. So, tikman na natin ang watermelon. I hope you have a good weekend. And sana din ma-upload ko to ng Sunday. Para at least hindi siya. Kasi yung last time na first vlog ko na weekly. Hindi ko siya na-upload kaagad kasi hindi siya ma-save. Kaya na-late tuloy. But, ito sana ma-upload ko siya ngayong Sunday na. Like tomorrow. Hindi matamis yung watermelon. Wala siyang lasa. So, mas maganda dito. Lagyan mo siya ng asin. Feeling ko, ikakat ko na tong Saturday vlog. Kasi wala naman akong gagawin na ngayon kundi magtiklop at magsampay ng labada namin ni Ate Hana. And si Ate Hana naman kasama si Ate Kirsten. Nasa handaan sila ni tita nila. So, I'm here alone. Si Francine naman nasa dada. So, I will be resting na lang. Manunod ako movie. Maglaro ako ng ML. Ganyan. And babasa. Kasi baka bukas itry ko na lang mag-ganchilyo. Hindi ko alam. Let's see. I wish you a good Saturday. At see you tomorrow na lang again. Okay? Bye-bye! Good morning. Happy blessed Sunday. So, kaayos ko na ng kama kasi diba kahapon nag-washing ako. Naayos ko na siya ng ganyan. Ito makikita nyo. Ito yung side ni Francine. Ari ko. Ayan. Partner siya dito sa unan, of course. Ayan. May shine din. And then yung stuffed toys niya. And the other side is mine. Ayan. Nilagyan ko na siya ng makapal na kumot sa loob kasi malamig na, mag-winter na. So, ayan. And yung iba i-wash na natin. Happy blessed Sunday. See you later again. Ito yung mga nilaban ko. Hindi ko pa siya natitiklop.
But, bago kami pumunta today sa event, titiklopin natin siya, of course, para pag uwi mamayang gabi, pahinga na lang. So, makikitingin mamaya, nakatiklop na yan dyan. Hilera na yan para at least ayusin na lang siya sa kanya-kanya naming mga cabinets. Kaya, ta-da-da-da! Yeah, ayan, I folded na. So, and then I need to do the socks and the panties. And it's done. Wala yung collection ni Francine of her Space Mollies. Yan. Look. This is her collection. So cute. This is my baby Molly. And yan. So cute. Wala ako ng brunch namin ni Ate Hana. Itong sausage, eggs, tapos magagawa ako ng garlic bread. So, see you in a bit. Okay, it's finished. Ayan na ang breakfast namin natin, Hana. Sa kanya to, may meat. Sa akin, 2 itlog. Milo, ang kanya, sa akin, coffee. And then, itong garlic bread. Kain! Happy blessed Sunday! Sapatos.
Sorry. Blessings are loud in this stargaze which we're about to receive from thy bounty through Christ our Lord. Amen.
So guys, nag-uusap kami ni Ate Hana kasi feeling niya hindi siya masyadong marunong mag-English. Diba? So ngayon, itatry ngayon natin siya. Ita-challenge natin siya ngayon. Always just talk in English. So Francine, if you're watching, you need to teach Ate Hana better to talk in English because you're very fluent. Right? So yesterday, you were at the party and a friend there, he talked like Tita Jen. Fluently in English because he's from England. You know where from England? Why are you always saying yes?
Somewhere in Sauli. It's like he told us it's like the the south
In the
southwest
okay.
England, London, and then
Hey, happy birthday to Ate Alexa! Ate Alexa is 18! Oh my God! Happy birthday na!
awesome.
Yeah. So, if you rate your English from 1 to 10, how will you rate it?
6.
6?
Like I have like I have an accent. You can hear it
But
when I'm talking because I don't really speak that much English in my private
live
life. I just speak English whenever I'm in school
or when you need to.
Yeah, when I need to.
So you're not like Francine.
No,
she's always...
I'm not that fluent. I do not speak English that much. I feel like if you speak English in public,
I feel like you're a tourist.
Yeah.
Why?
I'm not a tourist.
It's good. You need to be proud.
Here.
You need to be proud. Even though you were born here. I was also not born here, but I can speak German fluently. You were born here, but your German is not that.
I told them yesterday, Lola Susan was like, kasi kann ich mehr.
Not Taglish only.
Because she was like, I can speak English very well, these stuff.
Lola Susan.
And then I was like, I can speak both, like German or English. And then they laughed at me because they were like, you were born here and you can't even speak German that fluent. And I was like, you're Filipino, but you can also speak English fluently. And then Kiki was laughing, everybody was laughing. It was so cringe. Oh my gosh. I feel like the YouTubers.
No, it's fine. It's good. So a lot of people who's watching can understand us because sometimes when I'm talking in German, I need to put the subtitle
and translate it because they don't understand, or the Tagalog one, but I think the Tagalog ones they understand, so it's more Taglish.
Comment down below if we should do a 24 hours only English or Tagalog
or German. Yeah.
But like in German, I always switch up to English or Tagalog. So yeah, I mix my languages. So like, for example, I speak German and then there are also words from Tagalog or English.
You mix it up.
Yes.
Because you're used to talk like that.
Yeah.
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 Francine is now learning to talk more in
German?
Filipino, in Tagalog. Like after she came from Philippines, she tried to talk in Tagalog now more often.
But can she speak fluent German?
No, she can't. I need sometimes, or more often, I need to correct her. But she's fine. She's not, oh my god, okay. She's just correcting herself also, and that's good. Yeah.
She should learn French.
No, I think 3 languages is enough.
I want to learn French. Like, I want to speak fluent French.
Why? Are you planning
Because French is such a beautiful...
It is, but it's a
language.
I think it's the hardest language.
Yeah. Bonjour, je m'appelle Johanna Etsu.
Je m'appelle Casey.
Yeah, that's it.
I think Tita Dax knows how to talk in French because she learned it in school. Tito Biboy also, and Tita Arens, and Uncle EJ. But you know what? Uncle Cleon can speak English very fluently because he was in a I don't know, bilingual school or business school. I can't remember. But when he's talking, when he talks with Francine, they can understand because they're really like.
Does he have an accent?
Yeah, he has. Did you already heard him?
No, I never heard.
Okay, Tito Cleon, if you're watching, you need to talk with us in English next time. Tito Cleon has an accent. You can hear it.
Wait, an accent as in English accent or like Filipino accent?
No, English, like slang. Like you know that it's not the basic English that you learn from school. It's a higher level of English. Yeah, okay. So we need to, it's 5 minutes. I'm gonna see you later again pag pupunta na kami sa
worship night!
Kasakay na tayo sa subway. Punta na sa worship Sunday event. Nagtutuloy yung late ako na 15 minutes. Sorry. Ayun, hindi ko na tingnan yung oras kasi dami kong ginawa sa bahay. Kaya yun, late tayo. See you mamaya pag nandun ako. Bye! No, I'm just with my family there. How do you like it? Yes. What was your favorite song? Everything? Broken Vessels. Yes. Okay, thank you. How did you like it? What was your favorite song? Oh. Okay. Will you come again? Okay, thank you. Hello! How was it? Anong favorite song mo doon? Ikaw?
What a beautiful name it is.
Yeah. At saka yung yung kinakanta ko. Ano ba yun? I'm coming back to the heart of worship. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's all about. Okay. Let's say good night. It was a very nice week. This week, yeah, you can come and say good night as well. And I hope you enjoyed watching our weekly vlog. And yeah, Francine wants also to say goodbye. I hope you like this video. Comment down below your thoughts. And we're gonna see you next Monday.
Good night.
Good night. Don't forget to
Like, comment, share, subscribe.
yeah, see you again next week. This coming week. Okay?
Or tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah, tomorrow is Monday. We're gonna film again and do things. Because it's October na! 2 days left and it's October 1st already. And
What's
Eva,
the name if it's October 1st?
it's autumn time, fall time. Herbst.
Yeah.
Summertime will be ended soon. And it will be winter time again. So,
Christmas!
yeah, and 1 hour
Yay!
less 1 hour less sleep. Because it's getting dark earlier now. Yes. Was sehr schade, dass du heute nicht dabei warst. Dun sa worship Hillsong, ang ganda dun.
What?
Mamaya, papakita ko sa yung mga videos bago matulog. So, ayun lang po. We're gonna see you next week again. God bless you always. Keep on shining, keep on smiling, and stay positive. Bye-bye.